Hi, Jeff Fedordo from Earthwalker. I'm in the Sierra foothills today. I'm going to show you some techniques in fire by friction using the hand drill method. So I'm looking forward to showing you a few things and getting some fire. So a traditional way of making fire using hand drill is to have one solid source for your drill. This happens to be hydrangea. I also have mugwort, and this one is mule's fat. There are many resources that are just the right consistency to make fire by friction via hand drill. Kind of a medium soft wood. Just has to have the fire in it. Has to have the principles that and elements that make it happen. I'd like to show you one alternative technique for hand drilling. This is bamboo, and the advantage here is that I have an interchangeable shaft here that I can take out small pieces of various materials, either when they wear out or if I want to experiment and try other materials. So in this container I have various materials. This happens to be mullein, more mullein. I have cattail, hydrangea, mugwort, mule's fat, saguaro cactus spine. So gives you an advantage. So without further ado, I'm going to get into this. So again, this is bamboo shaft, and I've put a piece of mugwort in the end here. My base is yucca that I've split, I've pre-drilled, and then I've made a V-notch, just like bow drill. I just have a piece of leather to catch the embers. And let's do this. I like to keep upright so I can keep downward pressure. Start out real slow, warm up the fibers, and slowly increase the speed. When you start seeing smoke, don't stop there. You got a ways to go. Get your balance just right. Here we go. Starting to see some smoke. Keep going. I think I got one. Here we go. I can rest a little bit because I see my seed is healthy and strong. Got my fire nest already. Nice soft inside. There's my seed. All right. Here's the delicate procedure. Just tap that sucker in there. Now you gotta give it life. Give it some oxygen. Woo! There we go. All right. Always do this with lots of water available, totally controlled environment. Just be fire smart, you know, use common sense. That's Fire by Friction hand drill.